So this is our 2020 stash for 4th of July. We have quite a few fireworks. First we have our neon candles. We had 4 because they were buy one, get one, 25% off, but we lit 2 off tonight. It is July 3rd tonight. So these are like big Roman candles that you stick in the ground. They have like really pretty, like the balls are really neon, and they also have a crackling effect around the middle. Now this is a skull that we got, and I don't really know what it does because I wasn't there when this was purchased, but I don't know the branding or anything right now. This is a cherry bomb Abraham Lincoln fountain. We lit a few off. They weren't exactly the kind of firework I feel like you would get for 4th of July, but that depends because they might be a good thing for family, fun, and activities like that, where little ones are included. So it looks like the performance would be more of a fountain category where it shoots outwardly, and also it has like a mechanic in the back that you can see the inside of the skull. You can see how meticulously that was put together. And also, after this is done, you're supposed to be able to save the skull. It also has like a little bit of buoyancy in its wrapper. Now, here are the Screaming Cracklers rockets. They are by Brothers Fireworks. So these are actually pretty nice. They have like almost strobe effect. Once they blast off, they obviously have a loud whistle, and then they seem to do a pretty nice swirl in the air every once in a while. There may be a few guns, but that's to be expected with every firework. These are Moon Travelers. I don't really, hold on. There might be a possible branding on here. Gotta look closely at the fireworks, but I can't tell if there is branding on there. They are Joker brand. They are Moon Travelers with report. They're very nice. Like when it comes to quality of bottle rockets, these are the better ones in my opinion. But they also have that loud whistle as it goes up.
Not these do.
Oh, they do?
These are the whistling, screaming ones.
Okay, then I have mixed up. These are the, like, these are the less...
Shoot up and go bang.
Yeah, these are more like that. They don't do much. These are the whistling rockets. They are...
They scream.
Yeah, they are cutting edge firework branding, and they do the whistle, and they also are report.
The other good stuff. Dang.
So these are the Black Cat firecrackers. You can get them in a very large package, and these are just really a classic for family fun and stuff like that.
What's that Frog Prince?
Now,
What is that about?
Frog Prince is like a fountain, but it's kind of hard to explain. It would be categorized as a fountain, but it's kind of like the skull where the performance is more directed towards the audience instead of in an upward fashion. These are more of like, the traditional fountains. You just place them and sparks emit going upwardly. And there's not much to say about these other than, it's a good thing for families and things like that, especially with young ones around. Now,
we're getting to good stuff.
these are aerial shells. They are the Excalibur. They are the Excalibur shells. This is every color that comes in the box. There are other performances. Excalibur 24 canister shells and a 4 tubes come in each box. Now, I'm not really going to read through all of these, but there is some, like, palm effects. There are just classic firework effects, and there are crackling effects and stuff like that. There's 24 shells, as you saw in the box, and they all are 5 inches. This is how many we got. We paid, how much was it? It was $100 for 2 Excalibur boxes of that height. They are 5-inch shells. They're nice. I would get them if you're planning on doing a...
Good. One of the best ones you can get.
Yes, they are world-class fireworks too. Gotta shout out that brand because they have really, really nice fireworks. And moving on from that, which I could say more about that, but it's kind of hard to explain.
It's self-explanatory. They're awesome.
Yeah, so, and also tomorrow we are going to be doing a small vlog of most of these fireworks, so stay tuned in for that tomorrow night, 4th of July. Now, this is called Awesome Display. It is a 500-gram cake by Cherry Bomb. Didn't want to say that name wrong. It's a 16-shot, and it really just...
Light once and boom, 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 boom.
Yep, so that, of course, cake is going to keep going. But if you're looking for a nice, quick way to do louder fireworks, that's easy, but...
If you're in a competition with your neighbor, get one of these.
Yes, like my dad is consistently in competitions with the neighbors, whoever has the loudest fireworks. And this is Dragon Fist. It was a free firework that we got with this purchase, and it is an 8-shot.
Basically, these are like multiple shots of these, just not as big as a caliber.
Yeah.
That's what they are.
This is Black Cat 2. Let me see if they have a performance on the box really quick. Oh, okay. So they do have a bit of a like little show of what it looks like. Red palm and white glitter, brocade in blue pistol, and color peony in crystalism. I don't really know how to say that word. It's really difficult, but that last one that I couldn't say is that picture right there.
Okay.
This also has a performance on the back, but it's right here. Performance. Glittering gold tail up and blue peony with report. Ended by fabulous finale. Can't wait to see that finale.
Yeah.
Sounds very intriguing.
Yeah.
These, and also, these have good lift, so they get a lot of leverage, and they go pretty high, so you don't really have to worry about too much showering sparks.
Yeah,
Also,
here's the fan out of it. Damn. We got a good amount. I think we're going to go get a few more tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow there will be a little bit more. But like I was saying about these, though, they do have a lot of lift in them, so they go high, so you don't really have to worry about showering sparks. The Excalibur is pretty good. I'm going to just glance over this. If you guys can, you can pause and, like, read it all. But we're running out of a little bit of time, and also, I would like to also mention that the Excalibur 24 canister shell by World Class also has a very, very large break. Tomorrow, you guys will all see what that looks like, but stay tuned for the vlog tomorrow. Peace out. Bye.